How to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 slow lagging problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of slowing or lagging easily and fast. So all what you have to do guys is simple. Just go to your start button and then go to this settings option. And then all what you have to do is go to privacy, and right here you will find many options. Click for example on call history and make it off. Click on email, make it off. Click on tasks, make it off like this. Click on radios, make it off. The background apps too. Right here you will find a lot of apps. All what you have to do is make it off only the apps that you don't need. For example, Disney Plus, or let's say Minecraft, Office, and many other options that you don't need. After you finish, all what you have to do is restart your PC and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.